wonderful prayer song. Now with a heart filled with gratitude and joy, let's extend a warm welcome to our respected principal, our teachers and all our dear students.
We are truly blessed to have such a caring school family that help us to grow, just like flowers in a beautiful garden. We welcome you all to this joyful morning assembly.
Words have great power. They can either hurt like thorns or heal like flowers. To show us this in a creative way, our friends have prepared a short skit. Let's watch and learn how we can be true gardeners of good words.
Good morning, all are present here. Today we are going to perform a beautiful activity on 1 to 10 letter words and their meanings.
Hello friend, I, a very selfish word. I always think about myself.
Hello friends, I am we. I am two-letter word. We show togetherness.
Hello friends, I am ego. I am three-letter word. Ego is the most dangerous word that breaks the relationship. Hello friends, I am love. I am four-letter word, which is essential for every relationship.
Hello friends, I am a smile. I am a 5-letter word. Smile makes us look beautiful, so always smile.
Hello friends, I am a rumor, the most dangerous 6-letter word. Always ignore me and never believe me.
Hello friends, I am success. I am 7-letter word, which makes you famous all around the world.
Hello friends, I am jealousy. I am 8-letter word. Jealousy is the most dangerous word which spoils your whole life.
Hello friends, I am knowledge. I am 9-letter word. I am full of wisdom and intelligence.
Hello friends, I am confidence, the most ten-letter word that improves your confident personality. So be confident.
Now I will tell you which word should talk in our life. I. No. We. Yes. Ego. No. Love. Yes. Smile. Rumor. Yes. Success. Yes. Jealousy. No. Knowledge. Confidence. Yes. Yes. Now I will tell you which word we should not talk in our life. I. Ego. Rumor. Jealousy. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you for those inspiring thoughts. Words fill our mind, but music fills our hearts. Let's now enjoy a colorful and energetic dance performance that celebrates the joy of spreading kindness and positivity.
ಒಂದೇ
ಗುಟ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೇಳುವೆ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಹಣವು ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ನೀನೆಂದು ಕೇಳಬೇಡ, ಹಣವು ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ನೀನೆಂದು ಕೇಳಬೇಡ, ದಾಸನಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ನೀನೆಂದು ಬಾಳಬೇಡ. ಗುಟ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೇಳುವೆ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ತನಗೆ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಪರದಿಗೆ. ಗುಟ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೇಳುವೆ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನಿಜವ ಕೇಳು ಜಗದೇ ಅನಾಥರಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ತಂದೆಯಾಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ದೇವನಿರುವನಲ್ಲ. ಗುಟ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೇಳುವೆ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ತನಗೆ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಪರದಿಗೆ. ಗುಟ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೇಳುವೆ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ.
That was truly wonderful. Every performance reminded us to choose our words wisely. For good words are like sunshine that help every heart to bloom.
We thank our principal, teachers and all our friends for their supporting and participation in today's assembly. Let's promise to be truth gardeners, planting and good words and spreading kindness wherever we go. Thank you everyone. Have a cheerful and positive day ahead.
For our creative assembly on a beautiful theme, be a gardener of good words.
Just as a gardener plants and seeds, nurtures them with care to make the garden bloom with colorful flowers, we too can plant kind and positive words in our heart and in others to make the world a happier place.
Let's begin this morning with a prayer